tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for home security and convenience. The new Ring Battery Doorbell, paired with the Chime, both in their latest models and sleek designs. I'm super excited to dive into the details of this bundle, so let's get started. First off, let's talk about the alerts. You know how sometimes you're in another room or upstairs and you can't hear your doorbell? That's a thing of the past with this Ring Battery Doorbell and Chime combo. The Chime is a genius addition that ensures you hear doorbell alerts throughout your home, no matter where you are. Whether someone rings your doorbell or motion is detected, you'll get notified inside your home, thanks to the Chime's upgraded speaker, which provides louder, clearer alerts. This feature is a total peace of mind maker, especially for those with larger homes or for anyone who wants to ensure they never miss a visitor or delivery. Now, let's zoom in on the camera quality, because this is where things get really impressive. The new Ring Battery Doorbell boasts Retinal 2K with up to 6x enhanced zoom. What does this mean for you? It means you get crystal clear video, whether you're looking at a wide view of your porch or zooming in on a specific detail. The clarity stays intact with every pinch and zoom, giving you a sharp and vibrant image that's invaluable for identifying visitors or monitoring your home's exterior. This level of detail is not just about security. It's also about convenience, allowing you to see exactly who's at your door without having to physically go to it. Another key feature that I'm really excited about is the ability to connect with who's there in real time. With live view and two-way talk, you can see, hear, and speak to anyone at your front door, no matter where you are. This is incredibly useful for a variety of situations, from telling a delivery person where to leave a package to deterring potential intruders by making it clear you're watching and aware of their presence. It's a powerful tool that adds a layer of security and interactivity to your home, making you feel more connected and in control. Easily recharging your front door security is also a major plus with this device. The battery doorbell comes with a built-in battery that you can recharge via USB-C, making it convenient and eco-friendly. To recharge, you simply insert the included removal tool to detach your battery doorbell from the wall and then plug it into a USB-C port. This feature means you don't have to worry about your doorbell dying at a critical moment or dealing with the hassle of replacing batteries frequently. Lastly, let's talk about the real-time alerts. With the Chime's upgraded speaker, you get notified throughout your home with louder, clearer alerts. This means whether you're working from home, watching TV, or cooking in the kitchen, you'll always know when someone is at your door or when motion is detected. It's a seamless way to stay informed without having to constantly check your phone or physically go to the door. In conclusion, the Ring Battery Doorbell, combined with the Chime, is an incredible bundle that brings together advanced security features, convenience, and real-time connectivity. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's security, stay connected with what's happening at your door, or simply enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're always informed, this product delivers. It's a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their home security and smart home experience. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Ring Battery Doorbell and Chime bundle today and experience the future of home security and convenience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and discoveries.